Well, I'm not sure how I did it, but I got them all on there. Just need to get the deck for this and the bagger for the Honda yet. That's all I have to load. Then I throw some straps on, a little bit more to do, and I'll be ready for tomorrow morning. Okay, so here we are the next morning. I got everything loaded last night, and this morning I put the straps on. So there's 6 riding mowers on the trailer and 1 in the back of the truck. And I got straps everywhere. This one here is holding that Cub Cadet front. I have a nice big one holding them back. Then I have 2 straps on this deck here, 1 strap on that deck. This guy here is holding that Honda back so it doesn't run into the next tractor. And here's the other side of the big strap. And then this one here is holding the Cub Cadet front. And then of course there's 2 on the front. One holding them front and the other one holding them back. That way if you have to come to a sudden stop, they're going to stay on the trailer. Well, hopefully. Then up here we got this little John Deere and the bagger for the Honda. So 7 tractors in this load. Somehow I got them all loaded last night in the snow. And got plenty of traction on the back tires. So now we're going to hit the road. First delivery of 2025. 6 on the trailer, 1 in the truck.